You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say sex in Latino or in Spanish. This is how you spell it, and it is to be pronounced as sexo. Sexo is how you say it. More videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations of words that many get wrong. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.